Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're looking at my 10 Pokemon card investments, and we finally have some actual sealed product to work with instead of just having Pokemon cards singles. So we're going to start off with the Mega Evolutions Enhanced Booster Box. This has the Bulbasaur promo, so it's going to be fire, but if you don't know, there were some Pokemon Center drop around, I think, 3 or 4 days ago. And I was fortunate to get a booster box and 2 ETBs, which I'm pretty glad I got them. And I'm lucky, and a lot of people did not have that chance. But market price is $354.83. Most recent sales is 354, all of them for 354, and two of them were just sold today, and that is one sealed product out of my investments that I might do. I might open this box, but for now, since I don't have it in my hands, it's still in the investments, but I might open it. I might feel like opening. Next up, we have the Mega Evolutions Pokemon Center Elite Trainer Box. This is the exclusive Pokemon Center, which has the Riolu Pokemon Center stamp on it. Market price, there's still no market price, and they're still gathering some data, but we can see some, oh my god, some stores already having it listed for $399 and $500. And I couldn't find the Gardavore pre-order, so I guess I'm just gonna have it in one. So both of them are gonna be around three. I don't know, because eBay is selling them for, well, two of them for 330, 179 for the Lucario one. So if you're looking to buy it in TCG Player, I would recommend you buying it on eBay. But still, I would not, even though it cost what, a lot less on eBay, it's still way too expensive right now. I would say just wait. If you really want a Pokemon Center ETB, I would say wait until a month after release, or at release, maybe it goes down in price. Hopefully it does. But yeah, this would be my second sealed investment, and the third would be the Gardavore Elite Trainer Box Pokemon Center. But now we're getting into some singles, which we have Reshiram and Charizard GX. This is the promo. Market price is $23. That is not $23 near mint. Is market price $163.12. Most recent sales is 3 days ago, 214, 189, and they bought four. 163, 164, 160. Over the past year, it is up 336%, and last year selling for $37. There's no way. Oh my goodness, selling for around $30 to $45. There's no way. That's crazy. Next up, we have Mega Gardavore EX. This is an absolute beauty, and I bought this card for $30 at Collecticon. I think it's February 8th. I'm pretty sure it was. Market price is $79.21. Most recent sales is $79, $78, $79, $84 with the picture, $79. Over the past year, it is up 284%, and last year selling for $20. Wow, I bought it around February. Yeah, it was around $60, but since it had a little bit of whitening, the vendor actually brought it down to $30, which I'm pretty grateful that he did. It reached 116, and then it's gone back down, but this was the old low, and this is the new low, which is much higher than the old low. Next up, we have Origin Form Dialga V-Star from Crown Zenith, and these gold cards are actually one of the most beautiful gold cards to ever exist, in my personal opinion, except for some X and Y gold cards like the Volcanion and the Xerneas. Those are fire. But just the art in this is so, like, it feels like it's, I don't know, it's like all smeared together, but it looks good. Market price is $65.78. Most recent sales is $65, $66, $69, $65 with the picture. Over the past year, it is up 31%, and last year selling for $50. Went down to $39. Went all the way up to 86. I think it was the Palkia that went to 90, but that's honestly crazy. I feel like these cards are going to go up in price, but right now every expensive card that I either bought or I pulled, I'm not selling. I don't think I'm ever gonna sell this one or the Palkia that we have next up, just because it's a core memory. I pulled it with my brother, and it was so amazing. It was such an amazing day for me. Right here we have Origin Form Palkia V-Star, which is really sick. I like this like volcano explosion or fire. So cool. Market price is $63.12. Most recent sales is $63, $64, $61, $65, $63, $65, and $63 with the picture. Over the past year, it is up 35%, and last year selling for $46. It went all the way to $94. That is absolutely crazy. Next up, we have Squirtle from 150. No, this is not the 151. This is the Stellar Crown. My brother bought this at Collecticon for $80, and market price right now is $55.33. Most recent sales is $55, $56, $56, $54, $58. Over the past year, it is up 12% because it was selling for $48. It went down to $38. And right now, the new low is $55 because it ran up to $80. But yep, that's when he bought it. That was around the time he bought it, which was at $80. I thought it was going to do a lot better, but right now it's at $53. Next up, we have Eevee from the Pokemon Center Prismatic Evolution exclusive, which this card went wild, but it's gone down in price, which kind of sucks, but not really because it started off really, really expensive. Market price is $51.17. Most recent sales is a sealed Eevee for $65, $47, $51, $50, $54, $47, $48. Over the past, should we do year or 6 months? I feel like year. Over the past year, it is down 52% because it was selling for, peak was selling for $152. Started off at $108, and right now it's sitting at $51. But I feel like this card will go up in price eventually, just because it's a stamped Pokemon card, and people go wild for stamped Pokemon cards, especially when it's Pokemon Center. So I have no doubt in this card becoming back again to 150, 120, 130. So, you know, if I was you and you had this card, I would not sell it just because it's going down, and cards eventually do go up in price. So don't sell this if you have it. I wouldn't risk it. Next up, we have the Charizard V-Star from the Charizard Premium Collection box. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. This is such a beautiful card. This card matches with the Mewtwo from Crown Zenith, and it's absolutely beautiful. This Charizard is one of the, I feel like it's one of the best Charizard arts to ever exist. It's so beautiful. Like the fighting, the freaking Mewtwo being a Kamehameha, or freaking Goku becoming Goku. The background is so beautiful. Market price is $42.26. Most recent sales is $42, $42, $43, $44, $38. Over the past year, it is up 231%, and last year selling for $12. $6.24. It had a little uptick, $25. Wow. And look at it, it's at $42 right now. That is absolutely crazy. Yeah, we can see in the 3-month chart that there's just something happened right there. Right there, something happened. Just kind of crazy. And yeah, that is my top 10 Pokemon card sealed and singles investments. And all of these cards I'm not going to sell. I don't think I'm ever going to sell. Maybe the sealed product, maybe in the future. But the booster box for the Mega Evolutions, I'm probably going to open that with my brother. So it's not going to be in the investment for long. Just waiting for it to ship out, which is going to be like a week before release. So like September 20th, I'm pretty sure. And we're going to open it. I'm probably going to do a video about it. And that's going to be fire. Anyways, comment down below to enter in the giveaway that we still haven't done. And I still need to find an ETB. We're going to the mall today, so hopefully I can find one there. Hopefully it's not at market price. Hopefully I can find one at MSRP. But, you know, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.